So you were intimidated at first, and how did you get over that?
So like everything in engineering, you have to get your hands wet. So you just roll up your sleeves, start doing some initial things. So one of the first things I did was create an MCP server. If you don't know what an MCP server is, think about it as a toolbox, which has a bunch of tools in it. And then every time an agent or an LLM has to perform a task, it would come look at the toolbox and it would think about a tool that is best fit for the use case and then use it. If you have to think about this approach in a pre-AI phase, you would have a series of API endpoints, which are a subset of tools that you can use which you can consume to get a task done. But the thing about APIs was that they had a very strict contract. So you were always in that integration phase, and then migration was always hard to move from one version to the other version and things like that. But the benefit of having MCP is that it figures out, or the large language models that we have right now, it will figure out any gaps in the contracts, and then it will try to use its intelligence to fill those gaps. So that way, the migration is not a heavy part. The tools can evolve over time, and then systems on both sides or the both end of the spectrum can keep running.